Caesar dressing is Caesar dressing is Caesar dressing is one of my absolute favorites of all time. Caesar dressing is one of my absolute favorites of all time. And the thing is, it is so easy to make, you may already have all the ingredients on hand. That just smells incredible. The longer the flavors in this is just so amazing, but it's really quite simple. You just want your marinade to be sweet, spicy, and salty. Now for the marinade, you want it sweet, spicy, and salty. You just need it to be salty, sweet, sour, and spicy. That smells incredible. Now the longer you let it sit, the more flavorful it'll become. It's always great to have empty jars sitting around. So it's so versatile. It's always a great idea to have some empty jars sitting around so that you can use them to store things, to pickle things, to can things. You can never have too many empty jars sitting around. I'm going to show you how to remove the stickers an easy way. If you want to add mushrooms or veggies, add that with your If you want to add mushrooms or veggies, cook that with your garlic and onions. If you want to add mushrooms or veggies, cook that with your garlic and mushroom. What?